Hi guys, welcome to my channel. For those who are new, my name is Helena Fargaman. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to create basket weave stitch. It is very textured and geometrically constructed pattern, reversible, hard wearing with some elasticity depending on the yarn type, and a good looking stitch. The beauty of this texture is that some stitches appears to be worked vertically and some are horizontally. However, this fabric is created by working a group of front and back raised treble crochet UK turns or double crochet US turn stitches. The stitches are worked in the usual way, but around the stem to create this optical illusion. This stitch would suit many yarn types and qualities, good stitch for clothes and accessories, as well as due to its hard-wearing construction, it is great for cushion, bags and even floor covering. Of course, with the suitable yarn quality for the project. It also can be combined well with other stitches to enhance the structure in the design of various projects. To begin, create a slip knot and chain 17 stitches. The next row consists of treble crochet UK turn stitches or double crochet US turn stitches. Usually when we work treble crochet UK or double crochet US, we would have to chain 3 stitches to begin a new row, but for this stitch we have to chain only 2 additional stitches to begin a new row. You can work into a top loop or you can turn your chain and work under the bumps. I'm going to work into top loops, yarn over and work 1 treble crochet UK turns or 1 double crochet US turns into 4th chain stitch from the hook and continue working treble crochet UK turns or double crochet US turns to the end of the row. When you come to the end of your first row, work the last stitch into the chain stitch and to begin a new row, chain 2 and turn your work. In the next row, we will work front and back raised treble crochet UK turns or double crochet US turns. By looking at the symbols and diagram, you can see that front raised stitch marked blue and a back raised stitch marked black. To begin, miss first treble UK or double US and work 1 front raised treble UK turns or 1 front raised double US turns around the next stitch by inserting your hook from the front around the stem of the treble UK turns or double US turns in the row below from left to right, then work the stitch in a usual way. Once again, work the same stitch around the next stitch by inserting your hook from the front around the stem in the row below from the left to right, then work the stitch in the usual way. Work front treble crochet UK turns or double crochet US turns once again. In total, we will need 3 of the same stitches to create this pattern. Only at the end of the row, we will work 4 of the same stitches to complete the row. After completing 3 front stitches, work 1 back raised stitch around the next stitch, yarn over, insert your hook from the back around the stem of the stitch in the row below from the left to right, and work 1 treble crochet UK turns or 1 double crochet US turns in a usual way. Work 1 back raised stitch once again, yarn over, insert your hook from the back around the stem of the stitch in the row below and work 1 treble crochet UK turns or 1 double crochet US turns in the usual way. Repeat the back raised stitch once again. After completing 3 back raised stitches, work 3 front raised stitches around the next 3 stitches again, and after that work 3 back raised stitches by creating the pattern repeats 3 by 3. If it's difficult to remember steps, think like that. The front raised stitch is visible, you can see clearly what you do at the front, and the back raised stitch is invisible, you can't see clearly what you do because it is on the back. This method I've created in my head when I got confused with those stitches. As I mentioned earlier, at the end of the row you will have 4 of the same stitches. Here you can see that we have formed small squares by completing the first 2 rows. To begin a new row, chain 2 and turn your work. Look at the stitches. For the stitches that are at the back, work back race treble UK terms or WS terms, and for the stitches that stands out, you have to work front race treble UK terms or WS terms by forming the pattern by 3 front stitches and by 3 back stitches, creating a 3 by 3 pattern. Just a reminder, when you start a new row, work first race stitch around the second stitch and skip the first one. When you come to the end of the row, chain 2 and turn your work, and for this row you will have to work where the front race stitches, work the back race stitches, and where the back race stitches, work the front race stitches. Continue with the pattern. If you like to use this pattern in your larger project, count in 3s or multiply by 3 and add 1 stitch on each end of the project. And if you would like the pattern to start and end with the same stitches, count in 6 or multiply by 6 and add 3 stitches plus 1 stitch on each side, in total 5 extra stitches. Thank you for watching. I hope you've had great experience. For those who are new to my channel, if you like to see more videos in the future, please subscribe to be notified when I add a new video. Enjoy your day or evening, and I will see you soon.